In its first iteration, data gathered from patients by MedLink was shared with the practice via email. Summary documents containing patient responses were manually attached to the clinical record with manual code entry using templates. We're very pleased to announce a new automated link between MedLink and the Vision clinical system, allowing direct entry of all coded data. The patient side remains unchanged. Invites are sent out by text message or letter, and patients complete the MedLink review on their own device. Responses are now held in your new MedLink inbox, ready for clinical decision making. Here you see the inbox itself, showing how long each completed MedLink has been there. You can filter by reviews, search for patients, and filter by assigned individuals and teams. Once you identify a MedLink appropriate for you, loading it opens up the main data page. Firstly, you can see why it has come to you or your team, and if necessary, reassign that MedLink to others. Patient submitted data is shown on the left, with codes clearly highlighted with the blue tick. Recent data is pulled from the patient record for comparison. All of this is presented to the clinician to enable efficient decision making. On the right is the workflow action section. Messages to patients via email or SMS can be sent as follow-up, including templates to make message writing easy. Clinical comments can also be added. For the asthma review, action plans can be edited and previewed. Details of the patient's upcoming appointments are pulled directly from the record, and if a follow-up appointment is required, you can invite the patient to book it directly in the message you send them. After selecting the appointment type, the system checks that appointments are available. At the end of the clinical evaluation of the MedLink data, you click File to Clinical Record. All of the patient data, including codes, along with your message and your clinical comment, are all written directly to the record, requiring no additional admin input. Data is stored in Vision as a normal consultation, shown here in both Vision 3 and Vision Anywhere. If relevant, the patient message contains a link allowing them to book into the appointment type you have selected and receive a confirmation email once they've done this. In summary, the MedLink data supplied by the patient is presented for clinician decision making within the MedLink Manager. Once those decisions are made, follow-up messaging and automated appointment booking is available, and critically, all of the patient data, plus a record of the decisions made, is automatically entered into the patient record. We trust that this new functionality will help make MedLink even more beneficial for your practice recall and review process.